Hello everyone, my name is Monta. I'm the founder of OnlyFounders, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use OnlyFounders app. As I'm filming this, it's been less than 2 months since we launched and we have more than 2,200 downloads already. I'm really excited about the journey, and there's a lot of features that people do not know about. Either also we did not do the onboarding process well, so we did not explain them well yet, or also some features who are not finished yet. So, and some concepts that we actually added that are new that people do not know. So we want to explain how that works. So let's go directly to the app and show things. First thing first, you can see now there's something called top picks, and that shows basically hand-picked matches that have really great skills compatible to your skills. That's not working perfectly right now, but we'll be launching that as soon as possible. We have it, the version 2 is coming really soon. Here, obviously, you can dislike people, you can like people, and when you send a like to someone, you have to write a message to them. And here you can boost a profile, which will show your profile in the first stage to a lot of people. So here, one of the main features is also the filtering section. So let's go on here and show you how it works. You have obviously here, when you send a like, you cannot send a normal like without sending a message. So you have to always, write a comment to send a like. And for the filtering section, as you can see, for example, here we can go and filter by country. So we can go say United Kingdom, and you'll have people from the United Kingdom. Now this person was from the United Kingdom, but let's say the other person would be all from the United Kingdom. We see here also something saying have ideas open to explore. That is a filtering about not the role preference, more the matching purpose. If someone is looking to build a team, join a team, or open to explore a team, because a lot of people just want to look for a co-founder and there already existing startups, so it makes sense for you to look for people who are looking to open to explore to join your startup as well. So for example, if I say build a team and the UK, two filters, now we'll have someone that is looking to build a team again and is in the UK. Again, you can play around with these filters and add on more stuff, and that's basically the concept of the filters. Here you have the bio, and then you have the what I'm building seeking, which is basically explaining your project or your view. You can write as much as possible there. And then you have your skills and the skills that you need in someone. So that is really important, because when you go to the filter section, you can filter by the skills that people offer, but also the skills that they're seeking. So you can have a double matchmaking process within that. Moving on to the other pages, and one of the things that people do not understand yet a lot about the app, here we go to we have our matches, the matches that we receive, obviously, and we have the messages that they gave us. The messages are not showing yet in this version, but we'll implement them. And one of the things that people do not understand is what is this message? What is this timing that is putting 6 hours left, 47 hours left, and here as well again? When someone sends you a new like, I don't have any likes yet because I match with everyone. When someone sends you a new like, that person has a ring like this, and when you match with that person, you have a ring. You have 48 hours to accept, to talk with that person, or the match would vanish. The reason why we did this is to encourage people to connect together and to talk to each other and to have actually conversations, because if you just send likes to 100 people and then don't open the app for 10 days and don't talk with them, nothing is gonna get to happen. So here, for example, the way that this process works is, for example, I'm gonna go to this person that is Sasha. I sent hello to that person. That person said reciprocating like, and these two messages don't count. And then I have to send that person another message, and he has to reply to me again for that to work. So right now, I just need him to reply to me, or in 6 hours, match would completely vanish from the app, and you'll have to find him again and match again. I hope that this section is clear. Going a little bit on this section, the profile section is really important. Here we have social links, which I'll just show you. And then you can add your business card to the Apple Wallet. And then you can activate your physical business card if you have one. So how does this work? Here you have a list. If you go on the small icon here, no, my bad. If you go to the small plus here, you can add a lot of social media platforms. You can add your LinkedIn, you can add Revolut, you can add your proper website. You can add a lot of things. And then when you go here down, you can add this to the Apple Wallet. So everything would be shown in your Apple Wallet, and you can then scan this on networking events, and people would network with you and would find your social profiles. They will have access to a web page that will show all of your links so that you can share with them your digital business cards. And also, if they have the app, that would open directly on the app, and you will be able to match with them and share your specifications as well. You'll have also a digital profile within that. The same feature happens with an NFC card that we sell, but we are not selling directly yet. And yeah, that's basically it for this section. You can find everything that we mentioned before in the application process. So change if you're looking to build a team or open to explore, what kind of person are you. No, this is what is your ideal partner's role. So are you looking for a co-founder, a team member, an investor, a mentor? Your skills, obviously we can change these and update these. And adding experience, we'll be implementing a feature where we get all of these experiences from LinkedIn directly, but that would come in a later time. So we covered these two sections, and now we have this big section that is interesting, and we will always be adding things here. Depending on the countries, we'll always be adding things here. For now, we're mostly working on London, but we'll be adding more to the US and Tunisia and places like that as soon as possible. This place, we call it the Startup Essentials. It's basically like an online pre-incubator and an online resources of everything. The objective with this space is to help people find mentors, find opportunities, networking events, public grants, pitch competitions, venture studios, venture capital accelerators and incubator, and also help them understand the due diligence process to do when finding the right co-founder. So the objective here is to help them learn and get to understand the startup ecosystem or guide them. So for example, in this first page, you'll find networking events that you'll be able to go. If you know this one, it's London's largest demo day. Applications are closing soon, but as soon as you watch this video, it's gonna be already done. You'll have a lot of these things. Right now in this version, you cannot scroll down more than 10. So we're trying to fix it as soon as possible, but you can go to all event and find a lot more events. You can filter directly through these things. And we'll be able to change more of categories, and you'll be able to also choose your city, the price of these events are paid, and the date of the events if you want to filter directly through that. Additionally, now you can access to accelerators and incubators. If you're looking, for example, Antler gives a really great matchmaking, co-founder matchmaking. So if you click on co-founder matchmaking in the categories, you'll find Antler directly here, and that would be absolutely great. You can find accelerators, incubators, those who invest in early stage startups or not, and be able to guide you in the application of your incubator or accelerator if you're looking for one. And here, which is the section where we actually add a lot of other things, we'll be adding, the first thing would be mentorship. You'll be able to here directly find mentors and book mentors. But since you're not implementing that yet, we're waiting for 1 to 2 months to put that. You can find also a lot of other resources where you can help yourself and find, for example, grants. I think if you go to grants, you'll find Innovate UK or stuff like that. Yeah, you'll find, for example, you find Innovate UK, find grants here, for example, in London, public grants where you'll be able to see the data. And the matches you can filter through expertise and through skills if you want to talk with people specifically. And that's basically about almost it for this section. Oh yeah, one last thing. The Learn section is a section where we'll be extending it into a whole program of how to find the right co-founders and how to do the right due diligence and how to protect yourself. But in this section right now, you can find great videos. For example, this video that is a keynote that we did about how to find a co-founder, keynote that we did on with Google, but you'll be also able to find other resources such as what is a venture studio. For example, you'll be able to understand more stuff like this one or other videos directly through other websites or stuff like that. Thank you all. I hope you liked OnlyFounders app, and if you have any questions, anything, just send us an email on support@onlyfounders.app, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.